In this video, I will show you how to get a job at Costco. So what you need to do first is open up any browser and then just type in Costco and then jobs and then click on enter. And then you will find this Costco careers option and you just need to click on this. And once you click on this, you see an option to apply now. And when you do that, you will apply instantly in open jobs. So you can scroll down a little bit to get some more information about why Costco, careers, their values, resources for applying. But I'm just going to click on apply now. And in here, I need to click on visit external link. And once you land on this page, you have the Costco career section. So here you need to fill in some details about the Costco store. So you need to fill in the state, the city, and the zip code of that store. So I'm just going to fill that in right now. So I'm just going to fill in California, and then I'm going to select San Bernardino. So let's go ahead and select it, and then click on this arrow, and then it will be processing. And now you will find everything that is available in this Costco store. So you can just apply for any position, bakery wrapper, sanitation, cake decorator, basically anything you see in here. And I'm just going to apply for any position. So click on apply, and then you need to sign in to your Costco career account. So if you're new, then you just need to create a profile. So fill in your legal first name, last name, email address, desired username, password, and retype your password and a hint. And then just click on register, or you can sign in through Google. So once you do that, you'll be able to apply for this job. And they need to fill in everything, including your CV, motivation letter, and resume. And after that, you will process your application, and then it will be reviewed by Costco. And then you will hear if you will be accepted, yes or no. So this is how you get a job at Costco. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.